it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and welcome to a Chanel sneaker unboxing. I'm so excited because in this box right here is a gorgeous pair of Chanel sneakers. Ones that I've honestly been eyeing up for quite some time. And the fact that they're here in my presence is iconic. So we're going to be doing an unboxing today. I'm going to be checking these shoes out. They're honestly the most beautiful shade of like silver and metallic-y. And I feel like for 2024, metallic is just the vibe, okay? It kind of started in 23, but this year is a full-on enrollment of the metallics. And I'm all about that because I have a few things I've added to my wardrobe that are of this silver shade, and I'm obsessed. My good friends over at Goodkicks actually sent these shoes my way. So this is like my, honestly, I lost track of how many times I've worked with Goodkicks, but every single time has been nothing but a pleasure. Their shoes and their diversity within their collections, and how many types of different shoes they have is phenomenal. So I love working with this company. Check them out. I'm gonna link all Goodkicks information down below. So we're gonna have a Chanel x Goodkicks experience. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Probably sound a little crazy, I know. Honestly, I am super congested. The change in weather and the seasons is kind of like killing me. But either way, I made sure I looked cute for this Chanel experience today. So we'll do a little OOTD. This top, I mean, can we just acknowledge this top right here first and foremost? I mean, come on. It's like this tank and this shawl looking thing over it. Honestly, I got this from the women's section of the thrift. I'm pretty sure it's like an old lady's top, but you know what? It doesn't matter because it honestly looks quite luxurious. I just love the silvery type of like, I don't know, metallics. Again, that's the vibe for today. These sneakers have kind of like a futuristic look to them, but also classic Chanel as well. Mother Goose here. Let's get into the unboxing though. I'm gonna try not to drag this video out much longer. I am finally adding another pair of Chanel sneaks to my collection. This will be my second pair. The first one are these tweed gorgeous sneakers, and honestly, I am afraid to wear them because they're that pretty. I will probably like lose like one of my 9 lives if they get dirty. Goodkicks went ahead and sent these out via FedEx. They arrived in a great fashion of time, and we have a brown box right here. And I'm hoping a Chanel shoebox on the inside, but you know, there's only one way to find out. It's like I manifested this. So we have a Chanel box on the inside, which to be honest with you, is gonna look absolutely beautiful with my shoe collection that I have going on back there. How gorgeous, how gorgeous. Alrighty, so we have a little sneak peek of the shoes if you wanna take a gander. That is what they look like. Like I said, they're very kind of like classic Chanel, but also a little on the futuristic side, which I feel like a lot of brands are kind of taking that route these days. Not complaining because I like a shoe that sticks out, and that's a statement piece. So let's get these unboxed. What? All right, this is awesome. We have some Chanel paperwork in here. Looks like some authenticity type moments. Love that. And some more. Very cool. And what is this? A Chanel ribbon? That is adorable. That is freaking cute. And then a dust, what? Just a little flower, you know, little rose if you want to put that somewhere. Cute. And of course we have a Chanel dust bag. I don't know if this is gonna fit both of these shoes in here, but I mean, we'll see about that. So, got the tissue paper, some shoelaces. I absolutely love the Goodkicks threw in some spare shoelaces because honestly, that is just a perk. But the sneaks, oh my gosh, they are beyond what I was expecting. Okay, so they seriously are gorgeous. Wow. Oh my gosh, are you seeing that? The sun is coming out. I just unboxed a pair of Chanel sneakers. What can be any better than that? Honestly, aside from me getting over this cold, that would just really make my day. There was a lot going on here. Honestly, so much for just a single pair of sneakers, but I'm super excited to break these down and do a full deep dive, so let's get into it. Chanel sneakers in silver. How gorgeous are these? Honestly, I am obsessed. They're like classic, but at the same time just have kind of like a modern approach to them, and I feel like they're gonna go with so much. But there's a lot of elements going on with these shoes, and I'm gonna break every single one down. So we're gonna start off with the exterior profile right there. Take a look, take a gander, check that out. Honestly, it is absolutely beautiful. I just love the Chanel C's going on. It does say Chanel in a couple places. Even like a little moment right here with 2 C's. What the heck? I did not see that when it was marketed. So that is a nice little surprise, I appreciate. Probably one of my favorite features about this is just the color alone. I feel like it is not an obnoxious metallic. It's not super shiny, it's not over the top. It's gonna catch your eye, but it's not gonna like blind you. You know what I mean? It's delicate, it's pretty, but it is a wow factor. So I love, love, love the color. And that profile is just gorgeous. The inner profile is not much different. I mean, it's pretty much the exact same. Only difference is the logo is not there and it doesn't say Chanel anywhere. So it's subtle. This is the humble sister, okay? I love that. I did notice that there's like multi-tones of silver. So it's not just like a dark silver. There's also like a lighter version, a few shades, okay? So that's pretty cool. Moving on to the front of the shoe. I mean, come on. This silhouette just kind of gives me sport vibes. That's immediately what I think is, all right, it's a sporty type of shoe. But in a way, it's kind of like sexy. And I don't say that a lot about sneakers. I feel like a shoe is a shoe, but it could really make or break an outfit, to be honest with you. And something like this just kind of gives me the vibes where, you know, it requires a specific type of person to really pull off a pair of sneakers like this. You know, if you know, you know. But I get the vibe, and I feel like they're not for everyone, but they are for me, okay? But we do have Chanel right on the lip of the shoe. And of course it does say Chanel right here towards the bottom. And I like how these shoelaces are kind of like a darker shade than the rest of the gray. And that is a really cool like offset feature. The back of the shoe it's very minimal. I did notice there is no little hooky part on the shoe. A lot of sneakers have that, you know, thing where you could just tug on to take off the shoe or put on the shoe. I'm sure they have a name, but I don't know what they're called. Anywho, back of the shoe is pretty cute. It does say Chanel right there. Love that. The heel of the shoe is black, which I feel like is pretty neat because everything else is so like light and airy. So to have black right there is pretty nice. And it does say Chanel on the bottom. I mean, come on. I sound ridiculous right now. With this cold, I'm getting the Britney Spears vibes when she was like, hello, good morning, America.
Good morning, America.
It's been a long week, okay? It's been a long week, but here I am. Got myself glammed and ready for this Chanel unboxing. For the occasion, of course. But if I could do it, you know, anyone could do it because I've been feeling like crap all week. Anywho, these shoes are making me feel so much better. And you know what would make me feel even more better? If they fit. So let's go ahead and try them on because I have been anticipating this since they were ordered. The inside of the shoe is pretty sick. It does say Chanel right there. Love, love, love. And I need to get these on. Hopefully it would cure whatever is going on with me. And they fit absolutely amazing. I am so happy. I got a 44, which is equivalent to a men's 10, US 10, and they fit like they're made for me. I also like to hold on to the stuffing for the shoes. So when I put them away, I like put the stuffing back in to make sure that, you know, everything is in place and the shoes are preserved. Because you know what? Stuff like this, guys, could become a archive. You know what I mean? Immediately, I'm gonna tell you these shoes are extremely comfortable. Like, they feel, I'm not sure if you can catch them, but they feel so comfortable. Like, they're sporty, but also I feel like they just have a vibe where they're gonna go with a lot and can like dress up or dress down, fit. I am so relieved that these shoes are actually comfortable. When I originally saw them, I was not sure if they were just gonna be like you know, one of those shoes that look pretty, but like were a pain to walk in. But although they have a sporty-ish look, the comfort is delivering, and that's something that really was important to me. Even look at the bottom of the shoe. There's something very classy about these, but also athleisure. I love that. We got the shoes from the above angle. Honestly, even from like looking down on the shoes, they don't disappoint. Like that silvery, again, it's not like a obnoxious metallic, but it's definitely one that you will see. And the lighting in here is not the most like, you know, bright, so maybe that's why it looks subtle, but I'm not mad at that. So we actually coordinated this top specifically for these sneakers just because it has quite a bit of shininess to it. Like if you can make out all of that shimmer going on. Yeah, so I thought that would really complement the metallicness in the sneakers. And you know, I feel like it does. Alright guys, that's a wrap for my Chanel X Goodkicks experience. Honestly, I am super happy with how this all came together. These shoes are just such a beautiful addition to my collection. My second pair of Chanel sneakers, and I am very proud. Yet again, Goodkicks did not disappoint. Every experience I've had with them so far has just been nothing but extremely overwhelmingly happy. I mean, my first pair of shoes I got from them, I was just thrilled to the max, and this experience is not even much different. So Goodkicks, check them out. I'm gonna link all the information in the description box down below. Seriously, it is my pleasure. This company has really never disappointed me when it comes to the whole presentation of the shoe, the quality of the shoe, anything that goes into just how you receive it, and I'm beyond thrilled. So check them out. While you're here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Click the notification bell because that will notify you whenever I upload new content. So stay in touch. That is a great way, as well as my Instagram @𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, where you can find me on Insta. I post a lot of fashion content on there. So if you're looking for some inspiration or maybe to keep in touch with me and my lifestyle, that is probably the best way. But that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.